If you are unable to access your Netflix account due to missing verification codes, there are alternative methods to regain access. Follow these steps to recover your account. Step 1. Visit the Netflix login page. Go to the official Netflix website and click on the sign in button. Enter your email address associated with your account and click on Forgot Password to initiate the recovery process. Step 2. Check your email. After requesting a password reset, check your email inbox for a message from Netflix. If you don't see it, make sure to check your spam or junk folder. Click on the link provided in the email to reset your password. Step 3. Use account recovery options. If you cannot access your email, look for alternative recovery options on the Netflix login page. You may be able to answer security questions or use a backup email or phone number linked to your account. Step 4. Contact Netflix support. If the previous steps do not work, reach out to Netflix customer support. You can do this through their help center or by calling their support number. Be prepared to provide account details to verify your identity. Step 5. Update your account information. Once you regain access to your account, consider updating your email address and phone number in your account settings. This will help ensure you can recover your account more easily in the future. By following these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Netflix account without needing verification codes. Remember to keep your account information secure to avoid similar issues in the future.